Hi everyone, Lainey Marie here. Just want to talk to you about the ReadyWig synthetic loose wave that I just ordered. I would show you the unboxing, but everyone does that, so I didn't see the sense. I ordered it on Tuesday, and I actually got it Thursday. It came very, very quickly, but I hadn't had the time to put it on or anything. Today I decided to spray the Sally Hansen spray tan on the inside to more match my skin tone. I already have the ball cap method ready. I didn't see the sense in doing that. Everyone does it already on YouTube. If you guys want to see how I do it, let me know. It came through FedEx. The box was a little bit battered, but that's FedEx for you already. It came with the wig cap, which I actually love because it completely matches my complexion. I can work with it. The spray bottle and the little wig care tips. Put the hair on a bracket once wig's taken off, or you could just put it in the bag like I do with the netting, of course. Comb the hair softly with a sports tooth comb or smooth it with your fingers. Clean the hair twice a week with shampoo and warm water. I actually use the 18-in-1 Bronner's tea tree oil on all of my synthetic wigs and works fine. Air dry the hair and put some conditioner on it. Sometimes I use the silicone mix or just little water with Downy, which the spray bottle will come in handy for, and keep the hair dry and clean in boxes or bags. Okay, I haven't cut the lace or anything like that. This is actually my first time putting it on, so I'm gonna just clip it in for you guys. And let's get this thing on. So as you can see, that spray tan looks perfect with my skin. And I actually really like these curls a lot. Looking a bit crazy. Oh, don't mind the background, my cat's sleeping on my bed. Wow, this is really nice. A little shiny, but nothing that a little dry shampoo can't fix for you. Let me pull the whole thing to the front. Wow, that feels so nice. Let me run my fingers through. As you can see, no tangling. I am getting a couple strands, but nothing out of this world. Do the other side. It's super nice. I've seen a couple reviews for ReadyWig. I don't know why not more. This is definitely worth it. I got it on sale, well, on their sale. It was $41 and they had a coupon code. I'll add that later on because I honestly can't even remember, sorry. So, yeah, that's it. As you could see, the knots are completely covered with that spray tan. Looks really great. I love it. I feel like it's the perfect density. I'm 4'11" and it goes to almost right above my bum, so that's pretty long. I really like this a lot. I'll clue the video in when I actually apply it, which I'm going to do right now. So this is just me applying the Ghost Bond glue, the first layer. One thing I really do like about the Ghost Bond glue is by the time you finish applying one side, you usually go back to the other side and it's already clear and ready. Usually I do about 3 to 4 layers, but I'm not planning on keeping this wig on for too long, so I'm only going to do 2 layers. Also, I just really want to apologize for this brolic ass pimple I have on my forehead. It was just the week of weeks right now. I had the most horrible cold. I had such a sinus infection. My eyes were swollen. That's why they're so red and they were so itchy. But I was just determined to finally make this video and do this channel. Also, I want to apologize because I keep saying ReadyWig Synthetic Loose Wave, and it's ReadyWig Synthetic Black Body Wave in a 13x6 lace front synthetic wig, 24 inches. Sorry, guys. So please don't mind my crazy self talking. I decided to do a voiceover because the video was just way too long. So here I am just applying the wig. So I don't know you guys, but really I prefer to have to add on glue to parts of the wig that are sticking up than having to take off the glue because it is just like struggle city for me. So here I am just sticking it down, and you can already see how natural it's looking. I just really cannot believe this is a synthetic wig. So now what I'm going to do is just pass my little mini blower on low cool just for a couple seconds, even though I do have to go back and add glue to certain areas, just so that when I do peel back those parts of the wig, it doesn't completely take everything off. So now that I looked and I saw that all the spots that I added a little extra glue to are completely dry, are clear, I just take my rental comb and I go ahead and I stick them down. I just push them into my skin. I noticed that here in the middle, as you can see, stuck it down too early. It's still a little white, but that's okay. Just gonna go ahead, stick down all the other spots that I needed right there. And I stop. I put a little too much glue. I'm gonna have to take that off. So there in the middle part, I'll just make sure to pass the blower on low heat again, a little extra there to make sure that it sets in completely. So after I pass the blower again, all I'm going to do is take a silk or satin tie, whichever, and just tie it down so that it can fully melt into my skin. So I went ahead and I did my hair and my makeup because I'm going out. And there's the finished look. I went back in, I put a little makeup on the edges, put some free spray, and I tied it down again, and there you go. That's a little baby hair. I don't like putting the baby hairs. I don't know why. It's just really not me and not how I like to do it. So if I didn't say in the beginning of the video, this is the ReadyWig synthetic loose wave. It comes pre-plucked. I did nothing besides putting the Sally Hansen tanning spray. Didn't pluck anything. Didn't run a hot comb. Haven't even combed this wig out. So there you go. Let me show you guys the back. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video.